You know, if you were a little nicer, maybe you'd find a man.
Welcome to Fight Club.
Hi, welcome to FLICKSWITHFEEL. Today I'm going to show you how to make an After Effects style watermark using CapCut in an easy and simple way. Make sure to watch the whole video so you can understand everything properly. Let's start. First, you have to add a black background. Now add a text and adjust the size. Select your font. I have added some details. You can also customize them yourself. Now export this. Go back to the timeline and type /4 times and arrange it properly. Then export it. Now bring the text clip we made earlier into the timeline. After that, take the slash clip and add it as an overlay. Now adjust both clips properly. Now cut the extra part. Now let's add keyframes. Place the first keyframe at the very beginning and the second one at 10 frames. Then another keyframe at 1 second and 10 frames. And the last one at the very end of the clip. Actually, these keyframes will help us create a smooth animation for our watermark. Now go to the first keyframe. Here make the adjustment just like I'm showing. You can change the position, scale or whatever fits your edit. Follow the same value you see on the screen and take your time to match everything properly. Onset look good. We will move to the next keyframe. Now go to the third keyframe and copy my settings. Now go to the first clip and open the mask option. Adjust the top clip according to the overlay, just like I'm doing here. Try to match it properly so both clips blend perfectly. Take your time and onset look the same. Add the same keyframe here, just like we did in the overlay. try to match the settings with the overlay. That's how it will look perfect. Now duplicate both the main clip and the overlay. On the main clip, go to the mask, select invert. At the end, select easy out graph for smooth effects. Your watermark is now ready. Use it in your videos and edits. This was my first voiceover and tutorial video, so sorry if I made any mistake. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for watching.